Yeah, so this guy, so he, so his vehicle wouldn't start. He got stranded somewhere. Windows were down and everything. So he called one guy. He had somebody showed up, said, "Oh, it's a key." So he, from what I've seen, he had cloned a key. He didn't make another key. He just cloned the one that was there, and it wasn't working. So he was like, "Oh," he's like saying that something with a module has failed, or like it needs a new PCM or a new mobilizer or something. So the other guy, he comes, he looks at it, and he's like, "Well, he couldn't figure it out." He said, "Well, all the fuses are good, everything else looks good." He's like, "There's no codes." So he's like, "I can't figure out what's going on." So he phones another guy. Another guy comes, looks at it. He's like, "There's no codes and all that. I can't get anything to talk to each other." He goes, "I don't know what." He says, "We can." He says, "I think it needs a new computer."
But if the computer not powering up, it won't.
Nothing was. No, you could communicate with some stuff on one half of CAN bus.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you had high speed CAN, but you didn't have low speed CAN. So I'm like, okay, fine.
Module out.
But everything would come on for a split second and then shut off. So it's like something's pulling down the CAN bus. So I scanned it. Low speed CAN is down. So I'm like, okay. I thought, well, the one, the um, what do they call that? That vehicle, the, the blind spot detection.
Or in the back.
So there's a blind spot detection
Oh yeah.
module that's they have a little they have this little pocket in the bumper that the module slides into.
Oh, it's full of water.
It fills the whole module full of water. So I
I
went
must
under.
have a Terminator resistor, probably one of those modules.
Oh, but you couldn't until you got rid of the short in the bus, nothing would work.
Yeah.
So the keys in the ignition, there's no chime, nothing. I go back there and I pull the wire, I unplug it, freaking door chime starts working, everything. I was like, oh, okay. So there, fired it right up.
The module full of water. They put those stupidest